Are you excited about a future where industrial technology shapes a smarter, cleaner, and a more connected world? I'm Mathews, President and CEO of Phoenix Contact USA, and I'd like to show you what drives our innovation and our culture. At Phoenix Contact, we believe that culture isn't just a buzzword. It's the main ingredient of high-performance teams. We're intentional about how we work together, starting with the basics, trust and an open exchange of ideas. But we don't stop there. We push for a performance mindset, which means choosing to get better every single day. That's how bold ideas turn into real solutions, solutions that move industries forward. Teamwork here isn't just about meetings or group projects. It's about showing up focused, aligned, and fired up because what we do matters. Whether you're designing hardware, software, or solving tough challenges, you'll find people who are just as driven as you are. If you're ready to shape the future of the industrial landscape and make a positive impact, Phoenix Contact is the place to do it. We have openings where you can jump in, contribute, and grow right from day one. So, are you ready to join us? Check out our current opportunities and see how you can be part of our journey. Follow us on LinkedIn for more on our mission, culture, and life at Phoenix Contact.